Morning, guys. This is Frosty8415. Yeah, there's one thing about Glocks. They keep their costs down by just putting cheapest sights they can put on a gun. So I'm going to put these Tritiums. You can see them glowing a little bit there on mine. Real simple. Little bolt under the front sight there. See if I can get a view of it. You just unscrew it, put that one in. This one has to be pressed in, pressed out. Then it's got a little lock ring on top. It's a little Allen head screw, looks like. If I can get it to focus. That'll lock it in place. You just got to make sure you got it centered up. These Tritium sights, they're great sights. 12-year limited warranty. They're actually not plastic, they're machine steel, so they're really good sights. Tritium actually works very well, and the key is does not require any batteries or light exposure. It simply glows. And it really does. I've got some friends that have them and they really like them very much. Oh, that's not medication, by the way, if you want to see all that back there. That actually is old medicine bottles that I just keep and store parts in. So I use it to put parts in. And at nighttime, you will get the 3 green dots. And during the daytime, you'll get white dots because they have a little paint coloration over the top. These are excellent sights. I've got a friend that's got some and I really like them. And I'm going to put them on my Glock 45. And I may do a video on that. It's kind of hard. I'm here by myself today. I can't get my wife to do it. And I found out something on this stupid phone. If I hold it up over the top or mount it to where I can get a good view and work here on my desk, it has a tendency to go into portrait mode or landscape, or I don't know what it is, but it turns the video straight up and down. I know you noticed that on one of my other videos where I was talking about the Glock 45, and I noticed that when I have my camera up over top where I get a good view, it flips it. If any of you guys know how to turn a video once you have it edited into, actually placed into the YouTube, just to turn it left or right to where you can level it out, because I'm just not good at that. I'm really horrible at it, actually. I'd appreciate a comment. This is Frosty8415. More to follow on this Tritium sight on the new Glock 45. Thanks, guys.